Money on move. When France proposed a 75 super tax on millionaires in 2012, actor Gerard Depardieu promptly became a citizen of Russia, drawn by its 13% tax rate. Britain's rich are acting on a similar impulse now. Steel billionaire Lakshmi Mittal has joined the estimated 16,500 high net worth individuals who are likely to shift their tax residence outside the country this year in response to Britain's attempts to bridge its fiscal gap with high taxation. The movement of super rich can seem like a problem, and for Britain, it probably is because its population of millionaires has dipped 9% since 2014. In the same period, millionaire counts in China and India have grown by over 70%, even though thousands of high net worth individuals leave both countries every year. This year, China is likely to lose 7,800 millionaires and India 3,500. In a globalized world where your passport is only a government verified identity card, people are free to seek the green pastures on the strength of skill and wealth. As for Britain bleeding millionaires today, not so long ago it was the biggest wealth magnet. What changed? Brexit and some short sighted taxation measures. If there is no reason for entrepreneurs to reside near their enterprises within a country, why should a Lakshmi Mittal who employs 1,25,000 workers across 60 countries be tied down to London? He can run his business just as well from UAE, where he intends to live. It is interesting that tiny UAE has become the biggest draw for high net worth individuals, with 9,800 of them likely to settle there this year. Low taxes are only part of its gadget, as infrastructure, governance, and quality of life are equally important. Thank you very much. Now, find the meaning of the following word: Brexit. Brexit. Brexit.